Yo, what up guys? So today we're going to unbox this thing. Okay guys, as you can see, it is sealed here with an ASUS tape. So we're going to cut it. Let's do that. It's sealed with an ASUS tape right there. Time to cut this. Alright, now that it's open, as you can see here, in search of incredible, the usual ASUS. So I got an ASUS still because I'm impressed with the quality. The other notebook which I had was an i3, but this time I got the i7. Now, where can you see the specs? The specs are right here at the back. Okay? It may not be clear for you, so let me read it to you. Anyway, I'll just write it down there on your screen. So this is it. This is the laptop. So what do we have here? Oh, okay. Oh. Standard charger. Just like the other one. The older version. Now what makes this different is that it actually looks smaller. So let's see. Oh, it's so light and it's wrapped with plastic around it, and of course a piece of fabric. Ta-da-da! Okay, how do we open this? Woo. Fresh. It smells so good. Alright. This is it. Now, it has a glossy gunmetal silver gray-ish panel, and here it's shiny. What is it? Probably aluminum. And this feels like plastic at the back. As you can see, the speakers are still there at the bottom, and we have grills here for exhaust. Okay, so let's open. Ta-da! How do you wait? Does this? Oh, that's good. It has this thing, so it would be easier. It has a notch, so it would be easier to open. All right. Oh, you can't open it with that one hand, but boom! Oh my goodness! It looks so good. So this is it. I did not get the dual screen because I don't think it would be useful for me. So I just got this one with the numpad. And the screen has very thin bezels. And the camera is right there. Right there. So cool. How cool is that? So this one is a 10th generation i7 with 16 gigs of RAM, 512 SSD memory. So that's it. So this is it, the Asus Q427. Also in the box you can find this little thingy. Okay, smaller box. And what's inside is actually a stylus. Yeah, I believe it is a stylus. Yeah. Wait, I'm using one hand, so it's not easy. So anyway, ta-da! Ta-da! Stylus. You can use this for drawing or whatever you want to use it for with with this laptop. Okay, so I just charged it, plugged it in. Now the lights. are on. So I'm so impressed. It's not a fingerprint magnet. Okay.
Okay, don't let me hold you up. Just pick the one you want from the list.
Okay, so it's talking to me. Oh yeah. So it's already on for setting up. So I must set it up.
A few moments later.